Oh shit.
Special marine warning for island southwest of New Haven, CTP,
RT Jefferson, New York.
Until 6:30 p.m.
I'm going on the roof.
25 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 35 knots, 6 nautical miles north of Mamaroneck Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Mamaroneck Harbor around 5:35 p.m. Hampstead Harbor around 5:40 p.m. Captain Harbor around 5:45 p.m. Stamford Harbor around 5:55 p.m. Long Neck Point, Cold Spring Harbor around 6:05 p.m. Huntington Bay, Norwalk Islands around 6:15 p.m. Smithtown Bay around 6:30 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe storm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following marine location: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York.